Technology has been at the forefront of changes in the farming sector for the past 100 years. Here to tell us about some of the newest advances is Carlos Lambro with New Holland Agriculture. Carlo, one of your company's founders, of course, is Henry Ford, who really revolutionized the whole production process. Tell me about some of the recent advances.
Indeed, Basildon, the plant we are now, has been established as a Ford tractor factory in 1964. And this year we are celebrating 50 years of continuous tractor operation, with over 1.6 million tractors produced and 3.1 million engines produced here at Basildon. Today, these modern plants follow the world-class manufacturing program common to all the CNH industrial plants, focused on energy reduction, improving efficiency, elimination of waste at the manufacturing facilities. And this is a real revolution in the production processes applied throughout all our plants in the world.
In the last decade, there's really been this shift towards more environmentally friendly and climate change-focused practices. How are you incorporating these views into your own company?
New Holland is committed in driving the transition to a low-carbon, resource-efficient and sustainable agriculture. That's what our clean energy leader strategy is all about. Since 2006, it has driven many pioneers' initiatives shaped around the needs of the farmers. We have a full range of highly efficient equipment that is very well suited to conservation agriculture. For example, our T7 tractor range, which offers a very low power-to-weight ratio, which provide an excellent traction and reduce the soil compaction. We have also developed a new range of seeding drills, for example, to facilitate precision seeding and the exact application of chemicals. These are only few examples for a win-win agricultural solution for both farmer and the environment.
How can farmers use technology to reduce their dependence on fossil fuels?
Biomass is one of the most viable solutions. The biomass digesters transform biomass on the farm, like surplus straw, maize stover, or animal manure, into biomethane. This means that farmers can produce the energy to run their farm, they can sell any surplus back to the national grid, and they can even use the biomethane to run our methane power tractor, creating a virtuous cycle and a really energy independent farm.
Your clean energy website highlights your emphasis on carbon footprinting. Tell me, how have your farmers benefited from it?
Consumers are increasingly asking for farm produce with a reduced carbon footprint. And to support farmers in facing this new challenge, New Holland has developed a carbon footprint calculator. This system enables the farmer and the contractor to calculate the carbon emission of their current fleet, and at the same time it shows how they could reduce them by replacing some of their equipment with the newest machine that are compliant with the current emissions standards. And thanks to New Holland EcoBlue SCR engine technology, fuel consumption is lowered up to 10%. And we have dramatically reduced emissions over the last decade. A tractor of today can run over 100 days and produce the same amount of emission as a machine of 10 years ago would have in just one day.
Farming, of course, is considered a risky business because even a small change can affect a farmer, costing them millions of dollars. Tell me, how has technology mitigated those risks?
Doing more with less. Less risk, less environment impact, less input, less fatigue for the operator, and less waste. That is our vision of modern agriculture. New Holland's precision land management solutions can increase yields up to 40% through a better management of resources. With the PLM, farmers can save up to 50% by using less fertilizer and correct and precise placement of the seeds. And this not only leads to higher yields, but it also prevents potentially harmful and wasteful surpluses from damaging the environment. It guarantees a uniform planting and crop protection. It's a powerful technology that requires a deep knowledge, and we are offering an intensive partnership to our customers to help and to train them achieving the full potential of this technology.
Finally, what's next for New Holland Agriculture?
Looking toward the future, we keep on developing new products, new tractors, new harvesters, using state-of-the-art technology and bringing agriculture and mechanization in all emerging countries. All these with an eye on the sustainable impact of farming. Next year, we will be partner of the World Expo Milano 2015. We will show how we interpret the present and prepare the future of farming. A sustainable and fair future where the production of high-quality food and clean energy are part of a virtuous cycle based on the use of renewable resources, the respect of the land, and the elimination of wastage. Sustainability is the future of agriculture, our future, the future of all mankind.